Hello everyone, what's up? How are you? Bine ați revenit la mine pe canal. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am back to find out more of the Romanian music. And I got finally, happily, songs that are new and very popular. I also wanted to take two girls because I love these divas. I love Roxanne, I love Ina. I think Romania has great girls that sing amazingly. Also the men, right? But today I brought the divas, deal with that. I was looking for songs that are trending because I wanted to see songs that are posted recently, and I found this one called Când am o zi grea, Oana Radu. And I noticed that she has posted the video 2 weeks ago and she has 5.5 million views at the moment that I'm recording this video. So I'm super excited. I can't wait to know what she's bringing to us. 1, 2, 3, go girl! Guys, I'm stopping here a second just to comment because I was surprised when I saw her blown like this, like a Barbie, like a little princess. I thought she would sing something differently, but I was very surprised by the instrumental part. We have a kind of song similar to this one in Brazil as well, very traditional, right? Somehow mixing the old with the new and doing something else, a kind of pop song. So I liked very much till now. Let's see what she's bringing to us. I love this fact of this song that it's very danceable, you know. You listen to that, you feel the vibe, you feel like I want to move. I feel that if you are in a party and listening to this song, everyone is gonna come up and dance because it's a song that brings happiness, you know, it brings this vibe. About the video, I like it, nothing against it. I'm not crazy about it though. I like more movement, you know, the girl dancing, but maybe it's not her vibe, maybe it's not her style. It's more like a story on the clip. Looks like she and the boy are having a affair. Let's go.
Te vreau lângă mine și dau dreptate inimic îmi spune că tu ești cea mai scumpă lume. Când am o zi grea, când am o zi dură și privirea ta mințile îmi fură, nu pot rezista, ai pus inima în încurcătură.
I want this party, you know. I love the drink that she's having. It's very nice. I love everything, and I also love a lot her voice. I think she has a very good tone, she sings very well, and she goes very well with the vibe of the song, you know. I don't know if normally these songs are sang by this kind of voice, but I love it, you know. I feel like she's mixing a little bit of her style with this older style and doing these vibrations on her voice. So it's very different from Ina, for example, but it's very nice. I feel like she's bringing more of the traditional. I liked a lot this song. I find it's funny, it's fun, it's good for parties, so approved. Let's move to the second video. Let's see what is the second popular song that you guys are listening non-stop nowadays. Okay. Theo Rose, Pindo, Lele Dorule. Wow, Theo Rose. Oh my god, girl. 1 million views in 3 days. This is like a whole lot, right? I want to see. Let's start in 5, 3, 2, 1, go. Very cool voice. I really got like kind of stunned by her voice. It's really special. She has, I don't know, a very different voice that I think I have never heard. She does like the same vibrato, the same kind of tricks of the girl before, but this one has a different approach of it. I think she has a different personality and she applies her personality to the song.
Cât mai sunt întreagă să se audă până la soare omul de iubire moare. Așa aș muri și eu fără omul meu. Să se audă până la soare omul de iubire moare. Așa aș muri și eu fără omul meu. Ele dorule și arată chinimare când mă Something that I find about this song very interesting is that the instrumental part is that kind of instrumental that makes you wanna dance, that makes you move your ass, but at the same time her voice brings like a melancholy or sad feeling at the same time, that you are like, wow, what a voice, looks like she's singing something sad. For the little part that I have understood of the music, I feel like she's talking about love and about her man. Maybe it's just romantic, but I feel a little bit the sad vibe. This instrumental I really love. I also like this guy's voice as well. I think his name is Pindo. I find a very sentimental voice. You feel like what he's feeling while he's singing. You feel, you know, you can understand.
tell me here down below if he is from Moldova, because these Brazilian ears have spotted a different accent. It's not from Bucharest, it's not from Craiova, I think it's from Moldova. Guys, I love this song. I liked very much the precedent song, the first song I reacted, but this one I think I liked the most. I liked also the video. I liked the photography of the video. I like how the images were. I liked the color. I felt, I don't know, I vibed with the song very much. So Theo Rose, girl. And I am willing to do more video reactions because I am falling in love every day more with the Romanian music, with all the kinds of Romanian music, you know. It's a very rich music, it's full of instruments, it's full of sounds, it's full of tradition, it's full of history, it's full of very big talented people and amazing voices. So please don't forget to leave me here down below. Who do you think I should get to know? Tell me your favorite artist. Tell me what song that you love. Tell me that you want me to react to a song from the 2000s. I don't care. Music is music, quality is quality, and I'm open for everything. Please, please like, subscribe, comment, and see you in the next video. Vă pup, vă iubesc, pa, pa!